Welcome. You like to now enroll students in this course. So the first thing you need to do is click on participants. And when you click on participants, you basically do not have participants other than you. So what you have to do, you click here on this particular action menu and enrollment method. And when you go into enrollment method, you can see three types of enrollment: manual, guest access. But you can see manual is disabled. You can disable it. It is already disabled. And self-enrollment for the student. So what you have to do, you have to enable it by clicking on the eye and then click on this particular wheel to edit the setting. And when you come here, edit the setting, you have this enrollment key. Please remember this password, for example, DS2021. You can also see it. DS2021 is the enrollment key. That means whenever the student will, after they create their login and when they actually join this course through URL, they need to give this enrollment key. This is the enrollment duration. You can enable it, that how many days they can keep themselves enrolled in this course. Generally, we don't enable it. Notify before the enrollment expires. We generally say no. You may have some threshold, but this is very important that when they start the enrollment, maybe today, and when I like not my any of my student, maybe I can go for 1 month, the maximum time by which actually then that means after 14th March, student will not be able to enroll in this course. And then you can have a maximum enrolled user, maybe 50 students. Here actually is your welcome. When they actually join the course, they get to see this message. So I'd say welcome to online course of data structures and let's enjoy. And then I save the changes. So what happens now, the enrollment is ready, but what is your URL of the course? This is the URL of the course. That means you need to pass this URL of the course to the student, and once they do it, they need to create their login, and then once they enroll this course, they can actually use the enrollment key to join the course. So thank you very much for watching.